Hi there everyone, and welcome to Unboxing Canada. So today we have a new item arrived. So we'll go ahead and open it. Again, using the scissor. That's not a good idea. Always use the two hands. But until I connect the camera, use the other camera, I'll just use this. Alright, try to not. So, opening that item. Is it broke? Alright guys, let's see. What's up? What's in here? I really don't know what is in here, but I buy a lot of items and it's like a surprise. What is in here? Let's see. Whoa, that's another iPhone. Guys, that's cool. That's another iPhone. Wow, let's see what kind of iPhone is this. iPhone 7 black, 32 gigabyte. That's cool, guys. Alright, let's see. Remove the box. Put it down there. Come on. Open. Open. Magic. Open. Why it's not opening? Because the box is closed. Come on. It's still sealed. It's really cool, huh? So new, brand new. I'm gonna use the other hand. Okay, and I'll open this side. The box is so dirty, but it is still sealed. That's so cool. So wow, that's an iPhone 7. Whoa, brand new. That's really cool. It's a good deal. Okay. Alright, so we have the iPhone 7. Yeah, iPhone 7, 32 gigs. Okay. That's cool. That how it looks. Sure, it's a second. So basically it's returned by customers to that company and I buy from that company. So I hope that. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, share and like our channel. Thank you guys, and have a good day for the next time product.